Unraveling animal myths. Guess, learn, and subscribe for a wild reality check. Have you ever heard that ostriches bury their heads in the sand when they're scared? Let's dive into this and more animal myths. Stick around and guess which facts are true or false. First up, ostriches. Do they really hide their heads underground? Imagine the scene, but the truth is, they don't. This myth probably started because they eat and pick things from the ground. Now let's talk about goldfish. Have you heard they only have a 3-second memory? Time to bust this myth. Research shows goldfish can remember things for months, not just seconds. Moving on to a popular belief about camels. Their humps store water, right? Actually, no. Camel humps store fat, which they use for energy, not water. Surprised? Here's another. Bulls hate the color red. Matadors use red capes, but is it the color that angers bulls? Bulls are colorblind to red. It's the movement of the cape that provokes them. Ever heard that touching a baby bird will make its mother reject it? This is a myth. Birds have a limited sense of smell, so they're unlikely to notice human scent on their chicks. How about the saying blind as a bat? Bats are not blind. In fact, all bat species have eyes and can see. They just prefer using echolocation to navigate in the dark. Let's move to the ocean. Do sharks have an insatiable appetite for human blood? Sharks rarely bite humans, and most incidents are cases of mistaken identity. They prefer their natural prey. Chameleons change color to blend in with their surroundings, right? While they do change color, it's more about communication and temperature regulation than camouflage. Nature is full of surprises. What about elephants and their fear of mice? This amusing myth has no real evidence. Elephants might be cautious around unexpected creatures or objects, but there's no proof they're scared of mice specifically. Penguins mate for life, symbolizing eternal love in the animal kingdom. While some do form long-term bonds, many penguins switch partners each season. Love is complicated, even for penguins. Dogs sweat through their salivating, right? Actually, dogs primarily regulate their temperature through panting. They do have sweat glands, but they're mostly located in their paw pads. The myth that frogs will stay in slowly boiling water until they die is grim and untrue. Frogs will attempt to escape if the water temperature changes suddenly enough to notice. Swimming after eating causes cramps, so you should wait an hour, correct? This advice is overly cautious. While swimming on a full stomach might be uncomfortable, it's unlikely to cause severe cramps. We've tackled some fascinating myths today. Did any answer surprise you? Remember, nature and animals are full of wonders and surprises. Subscribe for more myth-busting episodes and discover the truth with us.